ఈ వీడియోలో క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాము. Quadrilateral is a simple closed figure formed by 4 line segments such that no 2 line segments intersect at any point other than their end points. 4 line segments వాటి ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ దగ్గర మీట్ అవుతూ క్లోజ్డ్ ఫిగర్ని ఫామ్ చేస్తే దాన్ని క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్ అంటారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ABCD is a quadrilateral. This is formed by AB, BC, CD and DA. The line segments AB, BC, CD and DA, and it is a quadrilateral. Here the line segments are meeting only at their end points and it is a closed figure. If the line segments meet at like this, AB, BC, CD, D, 4 line segments, but here the 2 line segments are meeting at a point other than the end points. Therefore this is not a quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is a simple closed figure formed by 4 line segments such that no 2 lines intersect at any point other than their end points. So for a quadrilateral there are 4 vertices A, B, C and D, or the points are called the vertices, and the line segments AB, BC, CD and DA are called the sides of the quadrilateral. Sides. A quadrilateral has 4 sides, namely AB, BC, CD and DA, and it has 4 angles. This angle, these are the 4 angles of the quadrilateral. The angle at A is written as angle BAD. This angle is read as angle BAD. Angle DAB, comma, angle ABD, ABC, angle ABC and angle BCD, angle BCD and angle CDA. So these 4 angles are read as angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD and angle CDA. Or simply this angle is written as angle A, and this is angle B, and this is angle C, and this is angle D. So for a quadrilateral there are 4 sides and 4 angles. The line segments joining the opposite vertices, that is A and C, are opposite to each other, and the line segment joining A and C, that is AC, is called a diagonal. So the line segments joining the opposite vertices. Therefore another BD is another diagonal. So altogether there are 2 diagonals. So for a quadrilateral there are 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. And the sides which have a common point is called adjacent sides, that is DC and CB, or AB and BC are adjacent sides. They have the common point B. Therefore AB, BC are a set of adjacent sides. Adjacent sides. Similarly, BC, CD. BC, CD are another pair of adjacent sides. And CD, DA. CD, DA are another pair of adjacent sides. Then DA, AB, common point A. DA and AB are a pair of adjacent sides. Therefore altogether there are 4 pairs of adjacent sides. Similarly, adjacent angles, angle A, adjacent angles, 2 angles having the same having a common line segment. Two angles having a common line segment are called the adjacent angles. Therefore, angle A, angle B are adjacent angles. A pair of adjacent angles. Then angle B, angle C. Angle B, angle C are another pair of adjacent angles. Angle C, angle D are another pair of adjacent angles. Next, angle D, angle A. Angle D and angle A are another set of adjacent angles. Thus, there are four pairs of adjacent angles. Therefore, for a quadrilateral, there are four pairs of adjacent sides and four pairs of adjacent angles. Is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral divides the plane into three parts. One is the set of points which are lying outside the quadrilateral, that is this shaded portion, the outside of the quadrilateral, that is a part, and that is called the exterior of the quadrilateral. Next, second one, the set of points having lying inside the quadrilateral. Set of points lying inside the quadrilateral is called the interior of the quadrilateral. Next, the set of points lying on the quadrilateral, that is on the line segments of the quadrilateral, that is on the quadrilateral, set of points lying on the quadrilateral. Thus, a quadrilateral divides the plane into three parts. One is exterior of the quadrilateral, the second one is interior of the quadrilateral, and the third one is the set of points lying on the quadrilateral. Next, perimeter of the quadrilateral, that is the sum of the measures of the sides of the quadrilateral is called the perimeter of the quadrilateral. So, for a quadrilateral ABCD, the perimeter is equal to AB, side AB, measure of AB, plus BC, plus CD, plus DA. So, perimeter is equal to sum of the measures of the sides of the quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral is this, area of the interior of the quadrilateral. There are different formulas for different types of quadrilateral. So, different types of quadrilateral గురించి చదివేటప్పుడు వాటి ఏరియాస్ ఫార్ములాస్ కూడా చదువుతాం. సో ఇక్కడ పెరిమీటర్ అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది sides of the quadrilateral. Next, sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Sum of the interior angles, that is angles of a quadrilateral, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. Sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Ikkada sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Sum of the angles ante ikkada interior angles. Sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Sum of the exterior angles of a quadrilateral is also equal to 360 degrees. Sum of the exterior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. ఇప్పుడు మనం సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 360 degrees అనేది ఫస్ట్ ప్రూవ్ చేద్దాం. లెట్ us consider ABCD is a quadrilateral. So this angle is the interior angle of the quadrilateral. This is the interior angle of the quadrilateral at B, A, B, C and D. So let us draw a diagonal BD. This diagonal divides the quadrilateral into two triangles. One is a triangle ABD and the other one is triangle BCD. Now, let these angles be, this angle is angle 1 and this is angle 2 and this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. Here the total angle, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to angle D. Similarly, angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle B. So consider the triangle ABD. Sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees. According to the rule of sum of the angles of a triangle. Similarly, consider the triangle BCD, this triangle. So, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle C, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Now, adding these two equations, sum of the left side terms is equal to sum of the right side terms. So, left side angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle A plus this angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle C is equal to 180 plus 180. So, angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle B. So, angle 1 plus angle 2, angle B plus angle 4 plus angle 3. Angle 4 plus 3 is D. Angle D plus angle A plus angle C. Angle C is equal to 180 plus 180, 360. So this is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus D. This is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. So sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Thus, we have proved that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. We can prove that the sum of the exterior angles of a quadrilateral is also equal to 360 degrees. Extend the side AB and this is one exterior angle. This angle, let this be some P, point P. So, as this is a straight line, this total angle is 180 degrees and this angle is angle B. Therefore, exterior angle at B is equal to 180 minus angle B. Exterior angle at B is equal to 180 minus angle B. Similarly, extending this BC, this is the exterior angle and this angle is equal to 180 minus angle C. The total angle is 180 and subtracting this angle we will get this angle. So 180 minus C. So extending this side CD, this is the exterior angle and this is equal to 180 minus angle D. And extending this is the exterior angle which is equal to 180 minus A. So sum of the exterior angles, sum of the exterior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to, first starting from here, 180 minus A plus this is 180 minus B, 180 minus angle B plus 180 minus angle C plus 180 minus angle D. So 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180, 4 into 180, 4 180s minus minus A minus B minus C minus D. Therefore, minus of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D means sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral. Sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral is 360. Therefore, this is 4 into 180 minus 360. 360 means 2 into 180. So 4 into 180 minus 360 and 2 into 180. So 180 common in both the terms. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into 180 which is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, sum of the exterior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్స్లో మాత్రమే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎక్స్టీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ 360 డిగ్రీస్ ఉంటుంది. మిగిలిన పాలిగాన్స్లో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎక్స్టీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్స్లో మాత్రమే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎక్స్టీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 360 డిగ్రీస్. మిగిలిన పాలిగాన్స్ అన్నింటిలో కూడా సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎక్స్టీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని ఫార్ములాస్ చూద్దాం. The angles of a quadrilateral are 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 110 degrees and x degrees. The four angles of a quadrilateral are given like this. What is the value of x? We know that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Therefore, 60 plus 90 plus 110 plus x is equal to 360. 110 plus 90, 200, 200 plus 60, 260 plus x is equal to 360. Therefore, x is equal to 360 minus 260 అటు తీసుకెళ్తే minus 260 అవుతుంది 100. Therefore, x is equal to 100. The fourth angle is 100 degrees. Next, ఇంకో example. Two angles of a quadrilateral are 80 and 120 degrees. And the other two angles are equal to each other. Then what is the measure of the other two angles? So let the other two angles be x degrees each. Two angles equal. So ఒక్కొక్క యాంగిల్ x degrees అనుకున్నాము. ఫస్ట్ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఏమో 80 and 120 అని ఇచ్చారు. We know that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Therefore, 80 plus 120 plus x is equal to 360. 80 plus 120, 200 plus x 2x is equal to 360. Or 2x is equal to 360. ఈ 200 at తీసుకెళ్తే minus 200 అవుతుంది. That is equal to 160. 2x is equal to 160. Therefore, x is equal to 160 by 2. So, x is equal to 80. So, the other last two angles are 80 and 80. So, sum of the four we will see. 80 plus 120 plus 80 plus 80 is equal to 80 plus 80 plus 80, 240 plus 120, that is 200 plus 100, 360. So, సరిపోయింది. Therefore, ఒక్కొక్కటి 80 degrees ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట.